Alright, we got a beautiful ThinkPad. We sold this to the client some time ago, and they dropped a bunch of water all around here. Let's see what we can do, see if it's salvageable. Okay. Hello, Nation. Yes. Telephone? Sorry, Najla, your computer or your phone? Which one? Sorry.
My computer.
Okay, what's wrong with your computer? Yes, I can hear you. So you don't have Wi-Fi, you mean?
I have Wi-Fi, maybe the internet is so bad that everything is cutting out.
I see. So, I mean, if the internet is bad there, I mean, what can I do? I mean,
인터넷 단지 아마 텔레폰으로 끊기거나 çalışıyor. 아니 o şey diyorum içindeki Wi-Fi
I'm not sure. You can bring it here and just try it. Use my internet here using your computer's Wi-Fi, and see what the issue is. You need to do a comparison. Did you do a speed test on your Wi-Fi?
just see.
Yeah, do it on your computer.
Why just put speed test, right?
Yeah, just put speed test.
Yeah. Run the speed test. It shows.
No. Give me, is it 130 or 1.3 or 13 exactly? What is it?
TCS download.
177.
Yeah, but let's
Yeah. All right, I'll have a look. WhatsApp or text message? Okay. Yeah, so that's on the computer, is it? That can't be right, Najla. Really? That's crazy fast. What did your guys subscribe to? Well, the upload speed is crazy. 141. That's massive. That's huge. I mean, it's not your connection issue, Najla. Like, what do you mean they can't hear you? Like, is it the microphone? What is it like?
The whole telephone, they can't hear me. They can't. The line is crackling. My manager was listening to a call. He goes, "Hey, I don't understand a word you're saying."
You want to call me on Skype on the computer? Do a Skype?
Yeah, I can.
You got Skype on the computer?
I do.
Yeah, call me now.
Oh, do you have the ID? Do you want to use mine?
Yeah, just text me your one and text me your ID. I'll call you.
What was Skype? I thought my brain is frozen. I don't have Skype.
Okay, So
I'm thinking about Zoom. Sorry.
no. So go into. You should have Skype on the computer. Just have a look. Let's go to Start menu. Look for Skype.
I've got my work side. That's it.
Okay, I need Skype on your computer. Like, you come out of your work, just go into Start menu. Have a look at Skype. Like, look in the Start menu. Yeah, you get out of Citrix. We're not dealing with Citrix. Well, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to do a test call. So whatever you can use just for testing. Is it signed in to... Yeah, so just sign into Skype if you haven't already. You have to sign in or make an account. If you don't have an account, then create one now. You just create it and then let me know when you're ready, okay? I'll call you back. Bye. Okay. Now this one has a liquid spill. Let's see what we can do on this one. The extent of the damage, that's what I want to see. Yeah, this is the one where this needs to scroll up. Hey, Nate. Okay, so we're going to remove the keyboard. If I remember, that's all you got to do. Just turn that around. It should allow the keyboard to just go up. One sec. Okay. There we go. It is. There we go. Liquid has sipped there. Use some kind of glue. Tea has seeped in here as well. Yeah, I'll give a quotation to the client. It's like sugary tea. Let's see what they want to do. So I'll leave it at this for now. Come back to the video later on.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.